Hi, my name is Regan White and I am the instructional designer here at Grayson College. This is just a brief tutorial to demonstrate how to record your clinical dates in class in the Canvas calendar. So let's go ahead and look at the calendar now and we'll learn how to record these dates. Okay, I'm just using this class as an example, but the main thing you need to see over here is the calendar. It's located in the far left navigational menu. Click on calendar, and at that point you'll see basically just a calendar and then a list of calendars that you have available to you. Each one of these will show up in the calendar framework as a different color, so you want to make sure that the class calendar for this class is highlighted with a color. Notice how this is red and now it's not. Make sure that when you click on it that it highlights and there's a color available. At that point, then the things in this class that you've added will be visible to you. So first thing you want to do is look through the list and make sure that you have highlighted or you've clicked on the calendar that applies to this class. The next thing you want to do is find the date that you're going to perform the clinical on. In this case, let's say we're going to perform it on the 24th of January. So you would click on that day, the 24th of January, to open up the interface to add an event. And the thing that you want to add is an event. You're going to add a title, and I would say something similar to clinical date number 2. You can ask your instructor for further input about how she wants these titled, but just make sure that you give it a distinct title so you know what you're dealing with. The day should already be in there. This will be the day that you clicked on. That's going to be the day that you're going to perform the clinical. Start time, whatever time is scheduled to start until whatever time is scheduled to finish. Obviously, they're not going to repeat. This will not be a repetitive thing, so you don't have to click that in there. Event location, wherever the clinical is occurring. Let's say you're going to be in a hospital. Just go ahead and put in the address. If you're going to be at TMC or wherever you're going to be performing a clinical, that's what you want to put in there. Then the calendar. This is important. You want to select from your list the calendar that has the name of the class that you're in. So you want to add that. Now under more options, you can click there, and then in this text box here, you're going to want to put your name. This is the clinical date for your name, and then any other information that your instructor may want. Just make sure that you put that in there correctly. And then if you want to, you can actually add the address of the hospital here if that's important. Once again, that'll be up to the instructor. But what's important is when you're done, you'll click Create Event. The event has been saved successfully. Should automatically take you back to the calendar. And now you'll notice that you have a new event in your calendar. This will be visible to anybody in the class, also to the instructor, which is kind of the point here. So if you want to click on that date, then you'll notice that the information that you put in there is visible, and at that point then you will be registered for your clinical, and that'll be logged in, and it will count. So go ahead and try this. If you have any questions, I can be reached at whiteR@grayson.edu. If something doesn't work or you have further questions, please get in touch with me and I'll do my best to help. In the meantime, have a good day and have a good semester.